I'm Ben Moser. I'm an application developer. I work mostly in native iOS, but also a bunch of other web frameworks. At the end of 2013, a friend of mine and I were throwing around a bunch of different ideas. We came up with this idea called Bubble, which was essentially the idea that you would get a group of friends together and share authentic experiences with each other, and after a certain amount of time, the bubble would pop and everything would disappear. So we actually started building the product on a mobile backend as a service provider, and that worked for a while. The problem was the solution that we were using just didn't scale, and there were problems with support, and it just really wasn't sustainable. So we decided to build it all out ourselves, which meant spinning up custom servers, using custom databases, and doing everything really by hand. And that really held us back from innovating and iterating on the front end, so it was really just a waste of time. But as we grew, we figured out that having to deal with all of these different moving parts, especially when you also want to focus on primarily making the front end as powerful and as useful as possible, is really just untenable. Mbaz is really powerful for people who are trying to build a mobile application, because on top of just the normal data storage and user provisioning and things like that, it offers you a lot of out-of-the-box tools that are going to take up time as a developer that you really don't have when you're trying to get an app to market, like push notifications and social integrations. So if we could somehow have combined all the things that we loved about using an Mbaz early on, being able to create a rapid prototype, being able to get early ideas into the hands of our consumers and get feedback on them, with the reliability and scalability of a larger platform that we could count on to be there for us at all times, then that would have been ideal. So I joined CloudMine as part of the client success team, and what we do is we help our customers use the CloudMine platform to create amazing apps. The technology landscape is just evolving so quickly today. Nobody's waiting for you to create your own custom backend and then create a viable app based on the idea that you have in your head. You need a product like Mbaz to build your application off of.